got a late start today. That's nice because we got to sleep. See, NSX, Vivette, old cars. I didn't film anything on the other street. There's a lot more over there. But it's just 10. This thing goes till 11, but everybody leaves by about 10. I don't know why they're so early. GT3 that does not sound too good, in my opinion. And that's literally it that's on this street. So we're gonna go back up top, show you there, and then I'm gonna head to the shop, do a little bit of work. You guys go riding? Very nice looking 430. F1. The purple Rolls Royce.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's about Phantom. Datsun 528i automatic. 458, 944, 996. Very bright blue turbo. GT2, GT3. I don't know.
I did shower today.
Lambo. There's unbadged on the back Ohio plates. 996. It's got Ohio plates on it.
Oh.
I'm gonna send that to Joe, and there's an AMG. Megan, what's the black car with the white on the side?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
That's a Corvette. That's a cool Corvette before they started making them out of the same material they make hair dryers out of. This is the new Passat Turbo. Cooper S. Ooh. That's a little rough.
I would hate to.
Oh, that Aston Martin. That's here all the time. That is so beautiful. Look at that. Cobra. Sears, they're dropping like flies, but this one still exists. They even replaced both S's in their sign, but left the middle to say ear. That was the classy Thunderbird, not the one they made in like 2003. That is beautiful. I can smell it from here. Old ass California plates. What's that frame? 1956 Thunderbird. Damn right. There's one of the offices Megan kind of works in. How often? Not very often. Compass, that's really modern looking. And Sanita. The S is behind the red light.
I don't like when you do close-ups.
Never been to the beach in Encinitas before. It's down some steps. Street level's up there, that's where I just filmed. It's a cliff. It's kind of a short beach, but it is really pretty, especially with everything blooming on the hillside. And I'm assuming tide is in right now because this is a really short beach. I could be wrong. It's happened at least twice before. This looks like a car that you would see on a model train set. A little model of it. It's very cool. Texaco Roadside Services, Ford, whatever. That's gotta be 1960 something. Here on the PCH in Del Mar, oh god, there's an S63 AMG. Let's further illustrate the point. That's a sport here. Find me a nice home. Oh, there's one. 4.275 million. Jesus. Here's another one. Oh, it's an El Cheapo, 1.15 million. What's over here? That's a nice one. How much? 4.15 million. 4.15 million. And oh, 800,000.
Probably in the
You'll probably get shot if you walk out the front
Ryan.
door.